There is not going to be a single vehicle platform in the future. Every platform is going to have a heterogeneous operating system to run the respective workload.
The value generation is happening at or near the edge as opposed to off in the cloud, or as opposed to purely embedded and very local. And so that intelligence is really what VxWorks, what Helix Hypervisor, what Wind River Linux enable locally in the embedded device, and the connection up to Wind River Studio and the capability to touch that back up into the cloud. And the intelligence between all of that, and then of course all of the Aptiv middleware, all of the Aptiv applications, the Aptiv capabilities that we're building in on top of that, that allows us to actually bring that intelligence into the edge area of data near the internet.
So there's a bunch of benefits associated with virtualization, but that only happens if you have a hypervisor. And our hypervisor is as infinitely scalable as your hardware is. We see that in aerospace and aviation, where you'll have planes with really powerful silicon that will have a single instance, a hypervisor, and then multiple instances of the OS running on top.
The nice thing about modernizing is now I can build an application into an OCI compliant container, and the containers are very modular, so they're very portable to other environments. That way, as the infrastructure moves around, as you change SoCs or you move the operating system from one platform to the next, I can bring that application over nearly untouched into a new system.
So as an OEM, what I now get is a higher level of confidence that this thing is going to work the way it needs to work. If you have a car and you need a safety critical system, something that absolutely cannot fail, something where 5 nines isn't good enough, that's where we have VxWorks.
The hypervisor provides the level of separation the guest operating systems need, where you are able to run mixed criticality applications. VxWorks being used in some of the most critical infrastructure in the world, be it in the medical or aerospace and defense or industrial segment. For the last 40+ years, this operating system has been delivering the most safe and secure operating environments.